Thai Eats. We're here today in Finnegan because this is where we live and breathe. Just wanted to point out how fantastic this little, it's almost like a little village, you know, from butchers to barbers, from coffee to cake. This is a wonderful place to come and shop and support local. But there is one specific little gem here that I want to talk to you about today, and this is the SarpN restaurant. So let's come in and have a look around, eh? So we're right in the heart of the kitchen here. This is Narayan, who's head chef and owner. There's a few customers in at the minute, so we are really disturbing at the minute. But he's going to take us through a couple of dishes that he does and how they go about doing that. Tell us a bit about this beef stock.
This is our main curry sauce,
Okay.
basic. So most of the curry is made with this curry sauce.
Okay.
We make from the zero this one, you know. So we make like onions, green peppers, potatoes, carrot. There's lots of spices there, and then spices we cook.
Okay.
We want it
fresh?
fresh, like we make today and tomorrow is like we make every other day.
Wow,
You know,
right, so you go through a pot of that in one day,
yeah,
would you?
Yeah, one day or 2 days. Yeah.
Oh man, right. These beef stocks here as well then?
Yeah, this is we call buna base. So we make same way.
Yeah.
Onions, onions, green peppers, and then fresh tomatoes. We cut them, chop them.
Yeah.
And then cook. This is base, so it's not lots of quite
Mad?
Yeah. It's
No,
mild.
it's
Yeah,
quite mad.
it goes for lots of stuff, you know.
Yeah.
That's why the tomato puris, the garlic ginger. There are lots of spices in here. It look like it's simple, but it's quite.
Okay. Do you
lots
mind
of
if I just take a little?
You can take.
Oh wow. Boom.
It's too very strong garlic. Lots of garlic and ginger. Lots of garlic, you know.
Boom.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
My goodness. If you want to heat that up, then it's basically.
It's chili and lots of spices, then we put separately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay. I'll just wash these off for you then. Both dishes start with a bit of fried garlic. And that was just a bit of cumin. Interesting how little of those separate things you can use, you know?
Yeah.
And this is like a curry powder, is it? Or?
Yeah.
Wow. So you can see, folks, that this is, you know, absolutely made from scratch. And if you could smell in here already, it's absolutely fantastic. And is this your base stock from over here? Okay. Wow, man. The smell of this stuff. It's a coriander. So there's one dish on your menu here that I had one day with my son. And it was the Nepalese chili. And it really blew me away.
Yeah.
So,
Chili is quite hot.
Yeah. Just quick.
Quite hot, yeah. It's, for me, it's very hot. Yeah.
So guys, if you want a trial, if you think you're strong enough to have Narayan's Nepalese chili, right? I'm telling you, this is where you gotta go, and I guarantee you, it will be too hot for you. I guarantee it. I'm willing to take that challenge.
Yep. I live quite a few years in London, and then one of my friends, he's from here. And I came with him from here.
Right,
So
right.
I like here, but much quieter and.
Well, I have to say, I think Belfast is all the better for having you here. You know, it's like getting that authentic flavors is fantastic. You know? Did you train as a chef in Nepal?
Yeah, I cook quite a lot, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, right. And was your mom a good cook?
Compared to I'm no chef. This is so best. Best food.
Guys, the smell. The flavor and that stuff there. Literally in no time. You see, when you have your preparation done, you can do dishes like that really very quickly, but again, it's all down to the prep, you know. And I've really learned something here today. Next thing we're going to do is he's going to take us through this Nepalese chili, right? So we're about to get the secret of Narayan's Nepalese chili.
Yeah.
Or are we not about to get the secret, Narayan?
You know, get the second. I'll show you what I put it, but I'll not tell you what are they. This,
Certainly not going to get this dish anywhere else in Belfast, really.
no word, guys.
This is the fried garlic that you make yourself, yeah? And this is all made the day before?
Yeah. Can be make a saucy or dry.
Okay.
Can be made both.
So that's our,
This is the basic one.
yeah, this is our garlic and our tomato paste.
Yeah.
And mixed powder, some spices, some herbs.
But this
But
one
it's-
this can be made.
Oh, that's chili.
Yeah, chili here. Yeah. That's not only chili here. So I have more spices here. I have to put in there.
Well, you're not telling us what they are?
They are the
That's-
special one. That only goes to Nepalese dishes.
Okay, right.
Not any other dishes goes. This one only goes to the Nepalese dishes. Yeah.
More chili?
More chili.
Oh, no, come on.
There's more chili.
Seriously. No, that is a lot of chili. You know,
More chili goes in here.
as I said, I've had this dish, right? And honestly, it nearly blew my head off, right? But I think as a challenge goes to people who want to eat authentic, very, very, very hot chili, this is where you come, guys. But you've seen what's getting into it. You know, some people like to do extreme sports. This is extreme eating. Done? Okay. It's good. You gonna try this with me now?
I won't try it.
Why won't you try? Because it's too hot?
It's too hot. It's too hot for me.
Well, to be honest with you, I think this is too hot for most people. But this is the challenge that we're doing around. This is absolutely authentic Nepalese food. Okay. And one thing that I really like about this restaurant as well is that you can bring your own. Now, I'm gonna have to have some water for this, but so let me clear my palate first. And let's just try this. Okay. Get ready for the explosion. Now, the chicken is beautiful, okay? It's really tender, and the flavors going through that. Actually, it's not as hot as I remember, but I know it's going to kick in any second, okay? Well, even with the hotness of that, that is just delightful. I have to. Start.
Not only hot, it has to have some taste as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the depth of flavor is fantastic now. Wow, that is hot though. Bring plenty of water.
Yeah.
I mean, the flavor is fantastic. You know, if you, I mean, it's on the same sort of scale as a vindaloo.
No, when people say it's hot dish, and there is a lots of other hot dishes. You can say Madras, Vindaloo, Fal. There are even much hotter dishes there. But what I'm saying is, hot making chili is not the tasty. It's only putting chili is not the taste. It has to be a flavor.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is the specialized for the Nepalese chili.